Good evening, students. Once again, welcome to all of you to our channel Anglamu Max, and this is Vijay. And today we are going to discuss part 2 of algebra. Part 2 of algebra, and you already know that I have already done part 1 of algebra. You can watch it in my in my channel. And as you know, I have done 2 videos. One is in English language, second is in Telugu. It's a regional language. And if you wish to see, and this video is in English language, and if you wish to see the Telugu language version video, you can just click the link given below in the description box. So let's start today our topic algebra, and it is part 2, continuation of part 1. Students, we have discussed till 7 questions last time, and now we'll start with 8th question. So this is 8th question. So the question is 5x cube plus 1 by 4x cube equal to 9, and they will give us to find 25x power 6 plus 1 by 16x power 6. This is the given question, and they will ask us to find 25x power 6 plus 1 by 16x power 6. So I have already told you in last class that in order to get a square of a value given in question, we require to do squaring on both sides. So we will do squaring on both sides. On the left hand side and right hand side, we need to do just squaring on both sides. So what we get in squaring on both sides, we know we need to apply a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a here? A here is 5x cube and b here is 4x cube. So we need to just apply the same thing here. So what is a? 5x power cube whole square plus 1 by 4x cube whole square plus 2 into 5x cube into 1 by 4x cube equal to 9 square. Okay, the next step is squaring. 25x power 6 plus 1 by 16x power 6 plus, see here, x cube get cancelled, and 2 here it go in 2 times. So 5 by 2 equal 9 square, 81. So what we require here is 25x power 6 plus 16x power 6, and we have already that in this form here. So 25x power 6 plus 1 by 16x power 6 equal to 81 minus 5 by 2. What is 5 by 2? See here how to calculate 5 by 2. 5 by 2. 2 2's 4, 1. Put here point, and we can add 0 here. 2 5's 10. So it goes in 2.5 times. So 81 minus 2.5. What is 81 minus 2.5? 78.5. Student, observe clearly that we have just done squaring on both sides, and we took the form which we required here by sending the left side value to right side, and we got the required answer. This is a question given and this is the answer. and we will move on to next question. Students, observe one thing. I am writing question number for each question, and if you have any doubt regarding any question, just comment below. I will make another video combining all the doubts combined in one video. I will make one video in different format. Means I will take the question and I will say it in different method or taking different examples. I will explain it clearly and slowly. So we'll go on next question. Next question is 9th one. 15x plus 5 by 2x equal to 20, and they will ask us to find 27x square plus 27x square plus 3 by 4x square plus 1. Okay, what we need to do here is observe one thing. First we will take question part. What they asked, we will take that part, and we here can get to know that we can take 3 common here. So take 3 common. What we will get? 9x square plus 1 by 4x square, keep it in brackets, plus 1. So what we got here? 9x square plus 1 by 4x square. So come on to the question part. So here also we can take 5 common here. You can observe that clearly. You can take 5 common. 3x plus 1 by 2x equal to 20. So now observe what we have and what we got. So we have 3x plus 1 by 2x, and what we have 9x square plus 4x square. We need to find this because this is 3 and this here is 9. So we just need to square 3 so that we get 9, and we have x here and we have x square here. So it's just the same thing which we have done before. So what we need to do here? We need to square this. Before that, we need to remove this 5 with 20. It will go in 4 times. So now squaring on both sides. If we do squaring, we get 9x square plus 1 by 4x square plus 2 into 3x into 1 by 2x equal to 4 square 16. So here 2 will go and xx will go. So what we are left with? 9x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 16 minus 3 equal to 13. So what we got to know? 9x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 13. So we just need to keep it in the question which is given here. So what is the question given? 3 into the form which we got. We got 13 as answer for it plus 1. So what is 13 into 3? 13 into 3 is 39 plus 1. The answer is 40. So we got is 40. The same thing, just we are increasing the level of question, and also we are just rotating the question in different forms. That's the only difference, and the procedure is all the same. And algebra is almost basic type, which depends mostly on these type questions, and if you go further, most of the questions depends on this type of questions. So learn it perfectly. Learn this question with good understanding. So I am explaining you in different method without leaving even single model. I am explaining each and every model. So please listen carefully. So we will go with next question. We will take it as 10th. It's a new type or type. It's a new type of question. The same method with a different type of question. So okay, what's the question here is 2x plus 1 by 5x. They will do something. We need to find 25x square plus 1 by 4x square. And what we'll take here? We'll take 4. We'll take 4. Here see, we don't have anything like squaring. We here there is 2x, here there is 25x square. So if we do squaring, 4x square, there is no chance here. So can we take common here? See, observe, can we take common here? No, we can't take common also. Can we take common here? No, we can't do common. But how to get this question to this form? How to get to this form? We can observe here, if we multiply something, we can change the question format. See, if we multiply with 5 by 2, if we multiply with 5 by 2, see here, 5 by 2, 2x plus 1 by 5x on both sides equal 4 into 5 by 2. See, we didn't change the question. We just multiplied 5 by 2 on both sides. If you remove this 5 by 2 on both sides, the question is the same. So we just multiplied with 5 by 2. And you might got a doubt that only why 5 by 2? Because and why by which value we need to multiply? This is also given in question as a clue. See here, we have 2 here, we have 5 here. So the number will be in 2 and 5 only. The number which we need to multiply will be in 2 and 5 only. So we need to remove here 2 and we need to get 5 here, so that we get 5 square is 25. So we need to get 5 here. So in order to remove 2 and we need to replace with 5, we need to multiply with 5 by 2. We need to multiply it with 5 by 2. See, observe here, 5 by 2 into. So 2 and 2 get cancelled, and we are left with 5. So that's the thing we have done here. The same thing happens with 1 by 5x. See, 1 by 5x into 5 by 2. 5 and 5 get cancelled and we are left with 2x. What is 2x square? 4x square. So, do you understand, students, why we have multiplied with 5 by 2? Okay. Now what we are left with? We are left with 5x plus 1 by 2x equal to 2. It goes with 2 times 10. So what we need to do? We need to square it on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what we get here? 25x square plus 1 by 4x square plus 2 into 5x into 1 by 2x equal 10 square 100. X and will get cancelled. 2 and 2 get cancelled. What we are left with? 25x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 100 minus 5. What is 100 minus 5? 100 minus 5 is 95. So here 25x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 100. 100 minus 5 is 95. You got my point, students? The thing what we need to observe here is we need to bring it in the form of question which is asked here. So for that we can do anything in algebra. We can multiply, we can divide, we can subtract, we can add. But the thing is we should not change the form of question by adding one. See here, if you multiply 5 by 2 on left hand side and if you forgot to multiply it in the right hand side, the question completely changes here. So we need to balance the question and we need to bring the form what we required. So we'll move on to next question. What's the next question? The next question is 11th one. 11th question. Question number 11. What we have? 4x plus 1 by 3x equal to 8. And they asked us to find 9x square plus 1 by 16x square. Students, observe, it's the same type of question asked in the previous question. The same method, but the numbers are changed here. We have just changed the numbers. So observe here, we have 9 here, we have 4 here. So we need to get 3 here because 3 square is 9. So to get 3 here, what we need to do? Multiply 2 in the upper part and 4 in the lower part. So 4x plus 1 by 3x equal to 8 into 3 by 4. So what we are left with? 3x plus 1 by 4x equal to 4. It goes in 2 times. 3 to 6. So we need to do squaring on both sides. Do squaring on both sides. 9x square plus 1 by 16x square plus 2 into 3x into 1 by 4x equal to 6 square, 36. X cancel, 2 times it goes. So 9x square plus 1 by 16x square equal to 36 minus 3 by 2. What is 36 minus 3 by 2? What is 3 by 2? 36 minus 1.5. 34.5. Students, you got my point? 34.5. We'll take the next question. It's very important question, students. So see it carefully. 12th one. X plus 1 by 9x equal to 5. We need to find 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. So observe here, student. We have 9 here. We don't have any number here. So we need to get some number so that we will get 9 here. To get 9 here, we need to have 3 here, because 3 square is 9. And if you observe in the denominator, we have 9x. Here also we have 9x square. So we require here 3, not 9. So to get 3, we need to multiply it with 3. So multiply it with 3 on both sides. 3 into x plus 1 by 9x equal to 5 into 3, 15. So what we get here? 3x plus 1 by 3x equal to 15. Now what we need to do? We need to do squaring on both sides, because we got the form what we required. What we required here? 3x plus 1 by 3x, because the question asked is 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. So 3 square is 9, x is 9x square. So we need to do squaring on both sides. 9x square plus 1 by 9x square plus 2 into 3x into 1 by 3x equal 15 square, 2 to 5. 3x get cancelled. So what we are left with? 9x square plus 1 by 9x square equal to 2 to 3. This is what we are left with. 2 to 3. Okay, students? We'll take the next question. Next, 13th question. Question is 2x plus 1 by 2x equal to, there is something, we take 8, and we are asked to find x square plus 1 by 16x square. See here what we have? We have 2 here, we have 16 here. What we require here? We require 4, so that we will get 4 square equals 16. And see here, we don't require 2 here. So what we need to do? We need to just multiply it with half, 1 by 2. So multiply it with 1 by 2 on both sides. 1 by 2 of 2x plus 1 by 2x equal to 8 into 1 by 2. So what we are left with? X plus 1 by 4x equal to 4. So we got the form what we require. So we need to do squaring on both sides. So x square plus 1 by 16x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4x equal to 16. X and x get cancelled, 2 and 2 here it goes in 4 2 times. So what we are left with, x square plus 1 by 16 x square equal to 16 minus half. What is 16 minus half? 16 minus 0.5. What is 16 minus 0.5? It is 15.5. Okay, students, understand it clearly. The same thing we are doing, just we are multiplying or dividing something. So we'll go on to next question, 14th one. What is 14th one? Very important question, students. Listen clearly. X by x plus 2. Asked in so many exams, so many times. You might think these are very easy, but this question will rotate your mind in exam, because in hurry you won't get answered that so easily. So practice it more number of times. So we are asked to find x plus 2 whole square plus 1 by x plus 2 whole square. This is the given question, and they have asked us to find x plus 2 whole square and 1 by x plus 2 whole square. This is very easy sum. You can just clearly observe that here we just require x plus 2, because they already gave x plus 2 whole square. So we just need to bring 2 here. For that, what we need to do? We need to add plus 2. So add here plus 2, x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2. So we equated the equation equally. The same question, we just add plus 2 on both sides, so that the question will be the same all the time. So what we are left with now, x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to 5. What we need to do? We need to do squaring on both sides. Again the same formula, same thing. So x plus 2 whole square plus 1 by x plus 2 whole square plus 2 into x plus 2 and x plus 2 get cancelled. So I am not writing here, you can understand clearly. Equal 5 square 25. So we will take 2 that side. What we are left with? 23. 25 minus 2 is 23. So what they have asked, we got the answer. Within 2 steps we got the answer. You can make it one step. Even without steps also you can calculate in mind, and you can solve the answer within 2 seconds. But here I am explaining you, so I am writing each and every step, but there is no requirement for you to write every step. You can just calculate in mind and just pick the answer which is given in question, or you can just write 1 or 2 steps if you are feeling confused. So we will go to next question. What is our next question? Next question is 15th one. One is, they give us 5x cube plus 1 by 4x cube equal to 10, and they ask us to find what will they ask? They will ask what they might ask. 5x cube plus 1 by 4x cube equal 10. So they will ask 16x power 6 plus 1 by 25x power 6. This is the given question, and they asked us to find the value in this form. So observe clearly, students. Here we have x cube, x power 6. Okay, it's fine. There is no requirement to change anything. And what we need to change here? The numbers. See, we have 5 here, we have 16 here. But we can observe here, 5 we have in the upper part, we have 25 in the denominator part. So what we need to do? We need to multiply with something. Think what we need to multiply it with. What number we need to multiply it? Think for a while. Okay, we need to multiply with 4 by 5. So multiply with it 4 by 5 into 5x cube plus 1 by 4x cube equal to 10 into 4 by 5. So students, what we are left with? We are left with 4x cube plus 1 by 5x cube equal to 5, 2 times it goes into answer 8. So what we need to do? We need to do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, 16x power 6 plus 1 by 25 x power 6 plus 2 into 4x cube into 1 by 5x cube equal to 8 square is 64. X cube get cancelled. So what we are left with? 16x power 6 plus 1 by 25 x power 6 equal to 64 minus 4 by 5 equal to what is 4 by 5? Whoa! Sorry students, we made somewhere some mistake. Can you guess where we have done mistake? We did mistake somewhere else because it's in point 0 point something. We did mistake somewhere else. Come on, where we did mistake? See here. 4 into 8. 4 into 2 is 8. What we wrote here? 4 by 5. If you understand this mistake, good, you are following very well. So 4 into 2, 8. So we need to take 8 to right hand side. 8 by 5, we need to take 8 by 5. So what we are left with? 64 minus 8 by 5. What is 8 by 5 here? 64 minus 5 ones, 0.36. 1.6. What is 64 minus 1.6? 62.4. 62.4. Students, I will take one more question. This is the last question for this class. We'll take 16th question here. 16th question. What is our 16th question? We have 8x power 4 plus 4 by 5x power 4 equal to 24. Then they are asked us to find 75 x power 8 plus 3 by 4 x power 8 plus 1. Students, see, if you see here, we find there is big number here, 75. You might think, oh, it's very tough. No students, it's very easy. Just think for a while how to solve this question in a simple way. See here, the same method which I have done in the previous question. So we need to take 4 as common here. So we are left with 2x power 4 plus 1 by 5x power 4 equal to 24. Here we can take 3 common in the question part. 3 common. Take 3 common. What we have? 25 x power 8 plus 1 by 4 x power 8 plus 1. See here. 4 we need to multiply, cancel with it. 6 4 24. But even then, we didn't get the required question. What is here? 25. What is here? 2. So what we need to do? We need to multiply with 5 by 2. So multiply it with 5 by 2 on both sides. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 2x power 4 plus 1 by 5x power 4 equal to 6 into 5 by 2. 2 it get cancelled in 3 times. So what we are left with now? 5x power 4 plus 1 by 2x power 4 equal to 5 3 is 15. So what we need to do? We need to do squaring on both sides. Do squaring on both sides. 2x power 8 plus 1 by 4x power 8 plus 2 into 5x power 4 into 1 by 2x power 4 equal to 15 square, 225. X power 4 get cancelled. 2 and 2 get cancelled. What we are left with? 5. So what's the question here? 25x power 8 plus 1 by 4x power 8. So what we have here? The same thing. So we are left with this question, and what we have answer 225 minus, take 5 that side, so we are left with 220. Oh, it's a big number. So we have 220 here, but this is not the final answer. This is 25x power 8 plus 1 by 4x power 8. So the final answer we get here is, just put this 220 in this question. 3 into 220 plus 1. What is 6 plus 1? So 661. This is our final question for today's class. And students, I want to suggest you one thing. I just want to suggest you one thing. As I have already told you that I make videos in 2 languages. One is English and another is Telugu. I know most of the students who are watching don't know language Telugu. But I recommend students to watch this video also, because particularly for algebra, not particularly, I will say every time I make videos I will say when to watch in Telugu also, because the question which I give in English and the language in Telugu are different. So if you want to do more practice, just watch Telugu video also. Just take the question part. Just take video and put your cursor here. You will get question, and next cursor somewhere else, question, and see the question and solve those questions by yourself. The same method, just I change the question, the concept is the same, but I change the question. See here is 16, the same method with different number. I told them in Telugu language also 16th number for you guys to make it easy, so that you can practice more. So just listen class, in which language you are listening, you can listen in that class in that language, and the same question practice there in different language. Maybe in different language, no problem, it's not a problem for you, because you just need to take the question itself. Just you see the question, solve the answer. If you didn't get the answer, you might feel that it's wrong. Just check the answer. I have written already on board.